Ever dreamed of a luxurious escape where every meal is a gourmet vegan delight? Welcome to California, the ultimate haven for plant-based travelers. From the serene beaches of Santa Barbara to the vibrant streets of Los Angeles, California offers it all. Imagine indulging in organic, sustainable cuisine while surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. California dreaming is more than a concept, it's a lifestyle for those who prioritize eco-friendly living. Upscale resorts and wellness retreats await, offering relaxation and adventure in perfect harmony. In Los Angeles, savor Mediterranean flavors at upscale vegan-friendly resorts. Explore the scenic trails of Runyon Canyon or stroll along Malibu's picturesque beaches. San Francisco's diverse culinary scene and commitment to sustainability make it a vegan paradise. Dine at Green's Restaurant or Gracias Madre, where local, seasonal produce shines. San Diego's laid-back atmosphere and beautiful beaches create the perfect vegan getaway. Enjoy innovative dishes at Kindred or quick bites at Plant Power Fast Food. Santa Cruz blends beach experiences with culinary delights, emphasizing fresh, organic meals. Relax at Twin Lakes State Beach Hotel with its specially curated vegan menus. Palm Springs offers a distinctive desert escape with luxurious spa resorts and plant-based cuisine. Indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments and outdoor activities like hiking. Gracias Madre in Los Angeles serves organic, plant-based Mexican cuisine in a chic setting. Shizen in San Francisco redefines sushi with innovative plant-based ingredients. Kindred in San Diego offers a vibrant atmosphere and inventive vegan dishes. The Picnic Basket in Santa Cruz highlights local produce in a cozy, relaxed setting. Native Foods in Palm Springs serves hearty, healthy plant-based comfort food. Hiking in Joshua Tree National Park offers breathtaking landscapes and thrilling trails. Malibu's beaches provide relaxation and opportunities for beachfront yoga and wellness classes. Wine tasting in Napa Valley pairs organic wines with plant-based meals. Explore Barclays Farmers Markets for the finest organic produce and artisanal products. Take a cooking class in San Francisco to enhance your vegan culinary skills. Learn to prepare gourmet vegan meals using fresh, organic ingredients. Discover new recipes and connect with your dietary choices on a deeper level. Participate in wellness classes focused on mindfulness and nutrition. Enjoy farm-to-table dining experiences that support local farmers. California's vibrant vegan culture ensures every traveler feels right at home. Experience the ultimate vegan escape and let California's beauty and cuisine captivate you.